Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the WhatsApp contact ready. Use the full international format, for example, +1 xxxxxxxxxx, because Linktree needs that exact string. Once done, open Linktree and sign in, then go straight to links and press Add New Link. You're not configuring widgets yet, you're creating the actionable link. Make sure the button text is concise, like Message on WhatsApp. This improves click clarity and conversion. Now you build the click-to-chat link. This is the core step. Use me/ plus your international number or the API form with a prefilled message, and remember to URL encode spaces and special characters, otherwise the text breaks. Once created, paste the full URL into Linktree's URL field and give the link a clear title. After pasting, toggle the link on so it's visible. This method bypasses widgets and relies on WhatsApp's standardized link format. Finish by testing the link on actual devices. Mobile should open WhatsApp, desktop may prompt to use WhatsApp web or download the app. If the link fails, recheck the number format. Me requires no plus sign in the path if you use that variant, and ensure your message text is properly encoded. Once verified, arrange the Linktree link order for prominence. If issues persist, clear cache or use Linktree preview and browser tools to observe redirects and identify errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.